good Pepper. That's a good boy. Yeah, that's our good pal. That's a good Pepper boy. That's a good boy. That's my pal. Yeah, we've been friends a long time. Why are you still biting? Okay, I'm going to wrap you a little bit. I might try the wing first, since the towel doesn't come in on that. This is what the book says. Okay, I'm not in a quick. And you want the wings trimmed?
Yes.
They're pretty short now.
Yeah, I figured they just needed a little touch up, and then that'll give some time for him to adjust into his new home and all.
Okay, calm down a little now. You're doing very well. You're a brave boy. You're a brave Pepper.
Pepper's a good baby bird. Yes, here's a good baby bird.
Where'd that toe go, huh? I'm sorry. That happened here. Somebody bit that off, I think.
Yeah, I heard about that.
But not caught yet. Oh, okay, I gotta use the towel.
Since you're gonna have to wrap me, that's just all there is to it.
Are you breathing? Okay? Yeah. Okay, so I got a firm grip on him and toe, and no, 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 no. He is tough.
I want to do this. All right, Pepper baby. If he doesn't clip your claws, you're gonna get hooked up on your little stand again.
Come on, Pepper, give me a break. This is time, huh?
You're just gonna have to be a bird burrito until he's done. It takes what it takes.
Okay, that's one. That's the left foot forward.
I know, big protest. You're alright, baby bird.
Can you hold the blanket and towel up over him a little more before it's done?
I'm gonna give him a break.
Do you want me to hold the towel over the top of him?
I don't know what.
You just
what
tell
to
me if
say,
you want me to try to do something.
I'm just trying to give him a breather.
Yeah, that's
He
okay.
struggles. I don't want him to get
Right.
heart attack or something.
No.
That's a good boy. Yeah, you're my pal. That's a good Pepper boy. Yeah, take a breather. That's a good little guy. Pepper boy. He likes it.
I like that he's going to be freshly trimmed and I'm not the bad guy.
It's been 5 minutes yet?
No, not quite.
Okay, let's go again.
He's like, I'm going to escape. Pepper baby, you're all right. It's going to be all right. And no, everything's going to be all right. No, no. You just wait. It's almost done. You're all right. You're all right. Almost done. You gotta get it done, baby bird.
They don't particularly need it every toe every time. See, these look okay to me, and
Yeah, it just
one's
seemed
done,
that
and-
some of them were a bit.
and that one seems, they look okay. I just did that one on the right foot,
Okay.
and I've done one so far on the left.
We're
Right.
almost done, Pepper.
Yeah, Pepper.
We're almost done. That's a good baby bird. That's a good baby
Yeah, that's a
bird.
good- Yeah, that's a good boy. I'm just gonna get it done, and then you can play again or whatever you were doing. Okay, that hurts. You know that.
I don't know, birds just don't want their feet messed with, ever.
You know what? He's lit up on me. He's not biting so hard.
That's good.
Yes, that's very
Okay, there's
good.
the left foot now. Do you see any that need trimming?
The back one, is that one a bit long? Or is it okay?
You want to trim or not? The short toe. I think it's all right.
I think you must have got the long one that he hung himself up on earlier. So
Well, I got the one that he's got my finger with. I think that's the one that I trimmed.
yeah. Oh,
It's the one in the back. That's. Does that need it? Oh,
that's what I was just trying to look at.
okay, me too.
Just let him look
we
at
gotta
your
look
toes.
at one more, buddy.
Gotta look at your toes.
Wow, he's
Poor baby. He says, I just hate this.
he knows how to hurt you.
And he's never liked this process, right? So who knows how
Oh,
it
we
was
got
before.
blood, huh? Is that me or you?
No, it's gotta be him.
Must be you.
Is
No, he's
that-
got
is
a
it-
wing. I think it's his left wing.
Yeah, I was
As soon as I
gonna
picked
say,
him
is
up,
it the one
I
you
saw
trimmed?
red under there.
It's either the one you trimmed or where he's been picking.
No, just like a wing right there.
Yep, yep.
That's where he's bleeding too.
Yeah, he was picking while he was waiting for
Yeah.
Mama to come home.
It's this toe we want, the rear, the long rear toe.
We're almost done, baby Pepper. We're almost done, baby bird. Hey, baby bird. Mr. Pepper.
Come on, Pepper.
Oh, no, he's gonna have to tuck
Changed my
you.
grip so many times.
Yep, I'm not helping. He says, I'm not listening to you. Okay, I'll just stay back here and not be the bad guy.
Ah,
I know it's tough, but he'll survive.
now the beating's done.
Oh, look,
you're
a
winded, aren't
pepper
you?
emerged.
Take a big breather now. And all good left is your beak.
You're almost done, baby
I
bird.
always feel terrible at the end of it because it's like you just beat him up.
I know, but you gotta do it or he can't eat well. Has he always had a crooked beak?
I think so.
Okay.
He's always been a wreck of a bird in a lot of ways.
You're a good bird, Pepper. You are. You're a good baby boy.
Yeah, but he's always had resilience and he's been strong.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom line. You want these trimmed?
Yeah, we probably should shorten it just
break.
to be, similar to the others, and hopefully he'll get a full
You
tail one of these days.
You let me catch you.
How you doing, baby bird? Oh, no. No, no,